Welcome to Invest Education Hub, where we turn financial complexity into confidence. This is the third explainer in our special Halloween series, Financial Fears, the Halloween edition. And today, we're digging into something that, trust me, every single investor has to deal with at some point, the haunted portfolio. But I'm not talking about a portfolio filled with, ghosts or monsters. No, I'm talking about something way more powerful, something that can actually seriously derail your financial future. So what is it? What's the real ghost in the machine? Yup, that's it. It's your own emotions. The moment fear, greed, or just sheer panic start calling the shots, your portfolio becomes haunted. And it's not haunted by the market, it's haunted by you. So let's dive into exactly how this happens. I mean, let's face it, the market isn't always a walk in the park. It goes up, it crashes, it really tests your patience. But here's the thing, what truly hurts investors isn't the market itself, it's how we react to it. So a haunted portfolio is basically one where every move you make is dictated by a feeling, not a fact. And this is the critical part. Every single one of those emotional decisions pulls you further and further away from your real long-term goals. You can think of these emotions as curses. Fear is that little voice whispering in your ear that the next big crash is right around the corner. Greed is the one that convinces you to throw a bunch of money at some risky trade you just heard about. And panic? Oh, panic is what makes you smash that sell button at the absolute worst possible time. When you let these things take over, reason just goes right out the window. To really see how this plays out, let's tell a quick story. Imagine two investors. They both have the same amount of money, and they're facing the exact same scary market crash. Think back to the dot-com bubble or the 2008 financial crisis. Same situation, but their results, they're going to be completely different. So on one side, you've got our haunted investor. They see the scary headlines, they see stocks falling, and they panic. They sell everything, they tell themselves, I'll just wait for things to calm down. But on the other side, the wise investor sticks to their plan. They see the dip not as a disaster, but as an opportunity, and they keep investing right through it. While the haunted investor is sitting on the sidelines in cash, the wise investor is trusting the process. And this is the ultimate, incredibly costly mistake. By the time the haunted investor feels safe enough to get back into the market, it's already recovered. Prices are way higher than when they sold. They didn't just sell, they locked in their losses. Their fear literally stole their growth. Okay, so how do you avoid this terrible fate? How do you exorcise these financial demons and break the curse for good? Well, the good news is you can, and it really comes down to 4 key steps. Think of these 4 steps as your personal toolkit for building an emotion-proof strategy. The whole idea is to be proactive, not reactive. So let's break them down one by one. All right, step 1, and this is maybe the most important. Build your plan before the emotional storm hits. Decide right now how much you'll invest, what you'll invest in, and what your goals are. Write it down. That way, when fear inevitably shows up, your pre-made, rational plan is there to speak much, much louder than your feelings. Second, diversify. You've heard it a million times, but it's so important. Don't let your entire future hang on a single company or one sector. A properly diversified portfolio is like a shock absorber for your money. It helps silence that panic because you know you're protected from a sudden crash in any one area. Third, and this is so critical, you have to focus on time in the market, not timing the market. History has shown us again and again that even after the absolute worst years, markets recover. The longer you stay invested, the more those scary downturns just become tiny little blips on a long-term upward trend. So what is the big takeaway from all this? It's that fear is always going to try to haunt your portfolio. It's going to pop up in headlines, in market chatter, and even in your own head. But here's the thing, you have the power to take back control. The moment you really truly get this and accept it, everything changes. The market going up and down, that's normal. That's just part of the process. But letting your emotions call the shots, that is 100% optional. So what you do is you trade in fear, greed, and panic for these 3 incredibly powerful tools. Knowledge, so you understand how markets actually work. Discipline, so you can stick to your plan no matter what. And consistency, to just keep investing, month after month, year after year. This is the ultimate mantra. Seriously, write this down. Because once you break the curse of emotional investing, your portfolio stops being haunted, and it finally starts being free. If this explainer helped you see your own financial fears in a new light, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button for more. Next week, we're finishing our Halloween series with something really special. We're going to look at the true magic of investing and how your money can literally grow while you sleep. Stay tuned, stay calm, and keep investing wisely.